Welcome to a day in my life living in a Honda Element. Hi, my name is Steven Aldanco, and in today's video, we're going to take you through a typical day. Well, this is kind of an untypical day because it's a holiday. It's Memorial Day in the United States. So we have some paddleboarding. I have one class to teach, and I want to do some computer work. And maybe this will give you like an insight of how a typical day goes while living in a van, like where to shower, where to brush your teeth, where to use the bathroom, all those sorts of things. So let's start at the beginning. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I got my coffee and I'm here at my little desk that I built in my Honda Element. If you're curious to make a desk like this for yourself, I made a video tutorial, so I'll leave that up there. Once a month, I lead a group hike, and if you're in the area, you're welcome to come. Just send me a message and I can add you to my email list, or you can visit my website and you can get added to that list. So I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna work a little bit, plan out the details for that hike, and I'm also planning to do like a stand-up paddleboard class. So that's part of the reason why we're going paddleboarding today, is I want to get some pictures to help promote that. But anyway, we're going to sit down and work for a bit, and then after we're going to teach a yoga class. One question I get all the time is, hey, where do you shower? Where do you use the restroom? Luckily, I teach at a beautiful yoga studio. So we're gonna head inside, we're gonna brush our teeth, we'll take a shower after class, and then we'll get on with the day. So here we got all the necessities. We'll bring this in and get cleaned up inside. So I just got to work at Raw Yoga, and I ran into another male yoga instructor.
Hey.
Check that out.
What's up, world?
This is Mike, everybody. What's going on, dude?
Not much, man. Good to see everyone. This is a good dude here. We came up together at Core Power, and now we found ourselves to great Raw Yoga. It's a great place. They allow you we can do whatever we want.
Yeah.
We can teach whatever craziness pops into our little noggins. At any point it pops into our heads. It's great.
If you're ever in the area, he has a super fun class.
If your normal yoga class is like, this is fun, but I want someone screaming in my face while I'm covered in sweat, guys, hey, come by. We do a lot of that.
All right, well, good to see you, bro.
Good to see you too, man.
I'm gonna go teach this class right now. We can take a shower. Nice and beautiful. But we'll definitely wait till after class to take a shower. So let's jump into class, get nice and sweaty, and then hit the showers. Looking forward to this. Alright, back into the element. Woo! That was an awesome class. Now it's time to get some ice and head over to the Newport Back Bay for some paddleboarding in just a bit. busy day at the Back Bay. Gonna get some reading in, and it's beautiful out. Check it out. So if you've noticed, I haven't had anything to eat so far. I've only had the coffee. I do intermittent fasting every now and then, and today the first thing I'm gonna drink is this Suja purified water, lemon, and cayenne to help kind of cleanse the system, and I'll eat after paddleboarding or before. We'll see what Chelsea wants to do. Look who it is.
What?
We're vlogging today.
Oh, hi YouTube. Hey YouTube fans.
She brought the goods, the food, and
Can't even unlock my door. I'm hitting the wrong button.
ba-ba-da-da, paddle boards.
Blow ups.
All right, well you blow those up and I'll get cooking.
Sounds good, babe.
Like sleeping?
Yeah, or chilling. But you would have had it open. Okay, I'm gonna change in my car and I'll be right back.
Okay. Lunchtime.
Alright.
See what we got here. Some salmon burgers. Oh
This
yeah.
makes way more sense. Here. That's probably good, yeah.
I've never cooked a salmon burger before, so let's see how this turns out. Fresh avocado, you know it. All right, now we need some more toppings. All right. So we got the first meal of the day. Looking good. Ready to eat?
Yes.
Continue on this beautiful, beautiful day. Good thing.
Yeah. Oh no.
What? Get out of town. This is cool.
Just gotta get on it.
You're very talented.
Maybe other side. Going slow.
It's pretty relaxing, you guys. So, bad news, the Honda Element has a check engine light. I looked it up, it's nothing major, it's just a sensor, but I want to get it taken care of right away, and I have a lot of work, so I'm just going to pay my buddies at Corner 3 Garage to take care of it. I've known these guys a long time ago, back when we used to race these Nissan 240s. So we'll drop the car off here for tonight, we'll go pick up the motorcycle at the garage, and then I can use that for work for tomorrow, and I guess I'll be sleeping at Chelsea's house. Drop these off. I mean, I hope that's safe. It's too late now. So this is a cooking channel now. We're gonna barbecue. Hey buddy. Keep guard. All right, boys and girls, that's Chef Steven in the house right there. Let's give it a little taste. That's good.